Right, Kirby is one of the earliest founders of GovZero, and he works a lot on the visualization tools and storytelling, and he's going to talk about Geoevent visualization.
Okay, hello. I'm Kirby. I'm going to talk about Geoevent project about new media experiment produced by another project called Zero Media, focused on interactive visualization of journalism. Okay, let's take a look at the visualization. The Geoevent visualization shows events over the Google Maps, and you can see the events magnitude, location, and the event happen date. And the red circle, each red circle represents an event, and the event radius of the circle represents the magnitude of the event. Okay, so the red circle will pop up one by one as the time goes by. Okay, there are 30 seconds. Okay. Also, it gives us a different point of view to see the event. For example, these two circles means the small circle is the Chinese Apple massacre, and the big one is the Baga massacre in Nigeria. Also, from a different point of view, we can see for our daily view from Facebook or news media, we can find the Charlie Hebdo massacre is more important in our life, but the magnitude is which is bigger is the Baga massacre. Okay, let's forget about the visualization. Let's take a look at how we create the visualization. We use Google Spreadsheet API, so we have to create a Google Spreadsheet, fill it with some data, and publish it to the web, copy and paste the URL to the field, and then customized place generate will have a widget like this. We can embed it into our blog post or newspaper report. So it can help your readers to know better about what you are talking about after the event. Okay, so let's talk about the data. Our data is from Wikipedia page, a list of Islamic terrorist attack. There are about 100 entries in the list. Every entry has a link point to a specific page about the event. So we can look into the page. We will find a list of attributes such as the casualty, the date, and the coordinate. It looks like it's organized, but it actually doesn't organized as we serve. For example, the next page will show we will see another event that we don't have a coordinate, and the casualty and the date format is different from the previous event. Okay, let's focus on another list of accident we call the aircraft accident. It's due to we focus on this because of the event recently happened in Taipei, aircraft crash in Taipei. Okay, the list of the commercial aircraft accident wiki page has about 1,000 events, so we cannot do it by our hand. The data is not structured enough. Also, it's quite difficult to handle this. So it's come up to us if can we find structural data about the aircraft event. So but the structural data will depends on the visualization or application you do, such as this page is BBC visualization of aircraft accident data. So you can find that it has different attributes such as timing, days of flight, cause and date, and casualty. So there are different attributes, so we want to find if there is a universal attribute. So we look into Wikipedia, like Wikidata or DBpedia, but there are not enough data for us to use, so we can use this kind of data to visualize the data. And this is also a problem of our government open data. In Taiwan, a small place like that, we have 20 counties, and according to the law of local autonomy, we have each local government open their own data in their own format. So we have to unify the data structure to provide a universal data structure and write parser to generate a different data structure for everybody to use, such as a visualizer or website to use. Okay, so I think we have to open data. We have to do before open data. We have to open data structure first. Okay, so and before we open the data structure, we also have to find a good schema for open data structure. The next page, before we open data schema, we have to open schema for open data schema. Otherwise, our government officer don't know how to do the open data stuff. Okay, that's my talk. Thank you.